Hello guys, today we will be studying about the suspension systems, the major objectives of the suspension system. The major objective of the suspension system are as under. As we know that why suspension system is used, the suspension system is used to absorb the shocks, the vibrations which are coming on the vehicle by the when it is in running condition or when it is in static condition. There are various loads which are acting on the chassis or the frame, and that all are damped by the suspension system. And as we know, there are various types of suspension systems, as spring suspension, pneumatic suspension, and etc., which will be discussed in again another session. But this session is on mainly on the objectives, and the some objectives are listed here below, and I will be discussing one by one. And the first objective is to safeguard the passengers against the shock. It means that when the this is the important point, that when the vehicle is in running condition, there are various forces which are being acted on the vehicle, and vibrations, which are damped by this suspension by absorbing the vibrations, and in this way the passengers is safe from the various vibrations. To provide riding comfort, this is an important point. This is an important point because if there is no riding comfort, then there is it will be so much difficult to ride a vehicle, and no one will prefer to go by any vehicle. So if there is no any riding comfort, then it is so much difficult to ride any vehicle. So the suspension, what the suspension does, it absorbs the vibrations, shocks, and provides the riding comfort. And the another objective is to prevent the road shocks from being transmitted to the vehicle frame and other component. And it means that when the vehicle when various shocks, the various forces which are being acted on the vehicle, that are being absorbed by the suspension, means from the road the various vibrations are coming towards the vehicle, and that are being absorbed by the suspension. To keep the vehicle on even keel, means to align, to keep the vehicle on even keel, means to keep the vehicle in proper arrangement, to keep the vehicle in proper alignment, and hence this is the objective, one of the objective. And the another objective is to support the vehicle weight. This is an important point. There, as we know that there is a lot of weight on any automobile or a car, truck, etc., and the suspension, what the suspension does is it supports the weight of the vehicle, plus weight of the passenger, and the weight of the chassis, engine. It supports all this. So so that's where the suspension is designed. So it absorbs the weight, and it doesn't allow to transmit it to the ground, and in this way the suspension works. And it also, what the objective is, another objective is to hold the vehicle in alignment. It means it aligns the vehicle, in a proper alignment. This is the objective. Means if there is no suspension, then the vehicle will not be properly aligned. Understand? So in this way the suspension works, and these are the some of the major objectives. Hope you all like this. If you all like, please like, and if you have any problem or any issue or any doubt, then you can below there is comment box, you can write to me. I will be answering to them. And if you like it little bit also, then please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.